princess, the highest priority. And see, I'm a family man and well, I gotta be truthful. If you can need Maori breed, my nan will think you're useful. You probably get an extra fried bread she makes stronger than one. Then she'll look at me and say too much, mama, but especially if you pile it up with butter and a bit of golden syrup. You don't even better knowledge, you know I love you, baby. There it is, yeah. Know I love the tips of your full intoxicated looks. The way you do that, I didn't makes a brother wanna trip you. Walk into a room and all the lights go shy. Minuscule as any light in the presence of your pretty smile. Then you're singing every angel in heaven wishes it was you. Especially when you turn around and do the tail of all me too. Te tau o taku nei a te, te putake a taku nei a. Te take e tua ki kone ki te waiata I tēnā ki pā. Real THP, she's something that's hard to find. She's like a precious bloom, I'm gifted like a fine red wine. She's like a Maori Jessica Alba on a Whiri Mako vibe. And when I see her cover her studies, I just gotta make her mine. THP, the Hamua's princess, the highest priority. I look into her candy eyes and I see my tongue in the key. She's just as comfortable in town as she is down at the park. And there's nothing that she likes better than fall asleep in my muckled arms. THP, she's like the feeling I get when I head back to the coast. I put nobody above her, my THP, she's the most. But when she holds it down for the iwi, and everything that she do is just like me, my THP, she loves her nanny too. She's the Hamua's princess, the highest priority. She's the apple of her daddy's eye and the pride of the